Welcome back to the channel, and look at this. I've got something here. It's a engine cylinder head gasket set with the gaskets and everything in it for Subaru Forester 1999 to 2010. But I never bought this. This was sent to me by a friend, and she likes to buy stuff on Amazon there, and she bought this. She says it was like $106, and I was like, I kind of keep telling her, please don't buy me anything for, you know, the Subaru, but she decides that she must. But here's the problem. When she buys these things, she doesn't check where they're made or where they're coming from. And this one is focus, made in China. So I don't know how good this kit's gonna be for a head gasket set, but I guess I'm gonna look at it and see what we got here. I never asked her to send this. I tell her I'm gonna buy my own parts for that. Stop sending me stuff. She's always trying to be helpful. So I don't mind the help of this. So thank you very much. Keep being helpful. But let me buy my own parts for this. So I don't know if I'm going to use everything in this kit, because I'm a little terrified on what might be in here. I think those are bolts. I don't think I need bolts for this. What do I got here? This is a... Oh, okay, some of this stuff could be good to use. Wow, it's got all sorts of... What kind of a kit is this? Wow, this thing has just about everything in here. Oh, it's even got the head gaskets. I don't know if I'm going to use those, or if I'm going to buy a Subaru set of head gaskets, but some of this stuff here doesn't look too bad. But yeah, looks can be deceiving. I'm not saying, you know, that China makes bad stuff, because there is a lot of good China manufacturers. Oh my word. This kit came with a lot of stuff. Wow, new exhaust manifold gaskets. Here we are with the valve cover gaskets. Get in here a little. Some of this stuff, I don't even know what this is until I will be looking into it. Oh my word. I think these are for the I forget the name of them right now. But, oh, intake. Oh, actually, this doesn't feel so bad. That feels pretty good, actually. And the phone, of course, to interrupt. So, let's see. Oh, it's even got around the cover. New for around the outside cover. Okay, I'm not too sure about those. They don't look very good. Head gaskets. Look like your cheap generic type. Don't think I'm going to use those. No, there's no markings on them. They're, what are they? Multi-layered. I just don't think I'm going to use these. I think I'll grab a set of Subaru ones and use those. But some of this other stuff here looks pretty okay. Grommets for holding on the, what do you call it? Valve cover. Oh, okay, this is for also the valve cover. Oh, here they are. These are new plastics for the, let's put the plug, new plastics for the outside cover. That's handy to have, because a lot of those just are toast. I don't know what these are. I should know what these are. Are these for the valve stem, or the valves? I'm not sure. They got some good stuff here. Like I said, These are for the wrist pins. I'm shocked these are in this kit. Like, why would those be in the kit? Wrist pins. And this stuff is just your typical, don't know where it'll go, but I haven't taken that engine apart yet. So, of course, I don't know where it goes. But, yeah, there's definitely some stuff here I'm going to use. A lot of good stuff. And, the bolts. I don't know why. But, hey, they're new bolts. I may use them. Of course, they're Chinese bolts. I know, Chinese do make some good products. I don't know about this. This all, like, for definitely, I will not use the valve cover gaskets. If I was throwing it together and selling it, yeah, I might, but I may just go and, yeah, I will. I'll just grab my a set of newer Subaru gaskets for that. That would probably make me a lot happier. But thank you, Julie. There is actually some pretty good stuff in here for this kit. And don't buy me so much stuff for that Subaru, because I usually pay her back. So when she buys this stuff, so I do pay her, but sometimes she goes overboard and gets me stuff that I didn't ask for. So I'll have to, well, it's because she lives in the States. She's able to get it cheaper and then send it to me. So, yeah, it's a good starting point. So, it'll probably work out for some of this stuff. Head gaskets, will definitely not use those and use a different type. I already have a timing belt and all that stuff for that engine. So, yeah, this is made in China kit for head gasket kit. It looks like most of this stuff should work out just fine. Alright, thanks for watching.